All right, YouTube world, I'm coming to you in landscape, driving to pick up the Jetta from the paint shop. Got the roll cage inside painted. I am pretty excited. So, I don't know, about 25 minutes. We'll see what that looks like.
And here it is. So to be honest, I paid $500 to get this done, and the engine bay and the trunk wasn't super happy with some of it. So we kind of went after it with a sander, bought some paint, resprayed some sections ourselves because obviously there was stuff missed. But anyways, happy with it now. Alrighty. We got all kinds of stuff assembled over here finally. And the car is back from paint. So I guess we're gonna start assembly here soon. All right, folks, next problem is this is the dual master cylinder setup. So this is the bracket that bolts it to the firewall. So you see where the firewall ends? You see where these brackets don't end. So part of me wants to, I think I'm gonna cut them shorter and then just bolt this to this. But I also had the idea of taking it, and this is the back side, this is the pedal, so that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I was thinking about drilling holes in this, bolting to the firewall and kind of giving it a little more bite, but then again, maybe not. Maybe I'll just cut these shorter because that's the simpler solution. So a man on the internet told me also that maybe that I'm gonna have to re-drill the pivot point on the brake pedal because he said the brakes will be weird, but I will see when she's all together how that feels, and then we'll go from there. Well, man on the internet was partially right. We had to make that rod shorter to get the pedal feel right, not re-drill the hole. But either way, you know, bolt-on kit made for the car. Sort of, kind of. All right, so this is my solution here. We're gonna drill holes in the firewall like you saw, and in the pedal booster. So now we'll have it kind of not only supported by these 3 bolts, but 4 more into the steel sandwiched to the firewall. So bam, there we are, installed. Also, you can see in this photo that we got a lot of the holes in the firewall patched up with some black aluminum, got the camber plates installed, got the grommet from Haltech in the dash there too to get the harness out there. Then we get to start the next project, which is the rear beam here. So this comes in a box with like 40 parts, and you kind of have to look at pictures from their website, which are old and not quite the same anymore. So anyways, here that is going together once we figured out where everything went and where to center stuff and all that fun kind of stuff. Got her together, got her welded on, had Q paint it the next day. So there it is, all painted and disassembled. And then here we are pushing on the spherical trailing arm bushings. Here's a time-lapse video. Again, no instructions. They have some instructions like, you know, face this part out, use some WD-40. But I've never seen a photo of them installed, actually. I've always seen a photo of them on, like, you know, a white background. So there they are. All right. So she's jacked up. This is probably got the pedal cluster kind of in there. Not finally, I don't think, but with the camber plates in. Coming along, hoping to get the rear suspension back under it tonight, and maybe the front suspension. So I've been working on that. Let me show you in landscape mode here. I've got an R8 race car deal we're working on. So I'll show you some still picture of this afterwards. These don't come with any instructions other than like your best bet. So you pull these in, and those are the spherical control arm bushings. Those are in. We're getting ready to do the Tech 53 stuff right here. Got the SCCH anti-toe change bar. It's all welded up. I'm just waiting for the other pieces to dry. So, and then we're working on getting these in. These guys are pretty sweet. So get this in, get the motor in, start moving.
I promised the last voiceover. So this guy was pretty clutch on getting the control arms cleaned out. Got the bearings pushed in here. There's the big boys in the back. And check that out, baby. Reinstalled, hanging, ready to put some wheels on it. So got a lot of stuff done this week. It's only Wednesday here, but I lost all my subframe bolts. So I had to reorder those. And by lost, I mean threw away, because I said, how hard will it be to get new subframe bolts? The answer is Volkswagen doesn't have them anymore. So you got to buy them from McMaster Car. So anywho, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content probably by the weekend.